Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am fashionably grateful, and today we are going to jump into the Kisslock bags that I have been chasing since March. Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss when I post. I'll also try to put the products in the shopping bag on the screen so you can shop while you watch. I've been excited about this video for a minute because these bags have been hard to find, and I finally got my hands on them. The Kisslock bag has that perfect mix of vintage and modern, and I couldn't wait to share every little detail with y'all. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's talk about these beautiful bags from Coach. The Kisslock bag is one of those timeless designs that truly represents Coach's history. It was originally inspired by a design from 1969 created by Coach's first lead designer, Bonnie Cashin. Bonnie was known for her bold, practical approach to luxury and wanted to make handbags that felt both functional and stylish. The bag was based on her famous cash and carry design, and it featured the same metal frame with the Kisslock closure at the top. That little click when it closes is what gives it that vintage feel that everyone loves. Coach brought it back in recent years with some modern updates like smoother glove-tanned leather and more color options. It still keeps that structured, rounded frame, but feels fresh and new. This is one of those pieces that connects the brand's past to its present, and that's what makes it so special. Now let's talk about the first one, the Jakard Kisslock bag. This one is absolutely stunning because it blends that signature Coach fabric with soft glove-tanned leather for a perfect mix of texture and luxury. The fabric is woven with Coach's signature C pattern, and the sparkle from the embedded crystals really gives it a high-end look. It's not too flashy, but just enough to catch the light beautifully. The detailing is so well done, and it still has the classic metal frame with that signature Kisslock closure. The inside is spacious, lined with fabric, and has a small pocket for your essentials. It also comes with both a handle and a detachable strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody or carry it by hand. It's one of those bags that feels timeless, but still has that statement touch that makes you stand out. The Jacquard version of the Kisslock bag is made from durable woven fabric paired with smooth leather accents, giving it that perfect contrast between soft and structured. The crystal detailing adds a subtle shimmer that looks amazing under any lighting. The color of this version is called burnished amber, and it's warm, rich, and incredibly elegant. The size of the large Kisslock frame bag in this version is about 12.25 inches in length, 11.75 inches in height, and 7.75 inches in width. That means it's big enough to carry everything you need without feeling bulky. The shape of the bag is slightly rounded at the bottom, which makes it easy to fit larger items inside while still holding its structure. The glove-tanned leather handle feels soft and smooth, adding to that overall luxury feel. This one really shows how Coach can take something classic and make it feel brand new again. One thing I love about this Jakard Kisslock bag is how versatile it is for styling. You can dress it up for dinner or wear it casually with jeans and still look put together. The sparkle from the crystals adds just enough glam, so it transitions easily from day to night. The neutral tone of the Jakard makes it match almost any outfit, whether you're wearing brown, black, cream, or even brighter colors. It has that perfect balance of understated and eye-catching. The metal frame adds a little vintage charm that brings back that 60s feel Coach is known for. And when you carry it, you'll notice how sturdy it feels, even with its soft material. It's the kind of bag that turns heads quietly without having to scream for attention. Another great detail about the Jakard Kisslock bag is the way it was designed to be functional without losing elegance. The detachable strap makes it so convenient, especially when you want to go hands-free while shopping or running errands. The frame closure keeps everything secure, and you can open it wide enough to easily reach your items. Even though it has crystals, it's not heavy. It's surprisingly lightweight for its size. The combination of texture, shimmer, and structure makes it feel luxurious but practical. This is one of those bags that can easily become a go-to piece in your collection. It's perfect for travel, events, or just when you want to elevate a simple outfit. Coach really nailed the design with this one. Now let's move into the rose pink Kisslock bag, because this one deserves its own spotlight. The pink version is soft, feminine, and classy without feeling overly delicate. It's made from buttery glove-tanned leather, which feels smooth and rich to the touch. The hardware is gold-toned brass, and it stands out beautifully against the pink. This version came out as part of a fall 2025 re-release, and it sold out almost immediately. The pink color has this soft, rosy tone that gives it an elegant, romantic vibe. It's the type of shade that looks good all year round, fresh for spring, but still warm enough for fall. You can't help but smile when you see it. The rose pink Kisslock bag has the same overall shape and structure as the large version, so it's still 12.25 inches long, 11.75 inches tall, and 7.75 inches wide. That gives you plenty of space for your wallet, phone, makeup, and all your daily must-haves. The inside has a fabric lining with a small zipper pocket for organization. The leather feels buttery and soft, but it's also strong and durable enough to hold its shape. The gold hardware adds that perfect accent, making the pink pop even more. This is one of those bags that instantly brightens your outfit, whether you're wearing something neutral or bold. It's truly a standout piece. What makes the rose pink version so special is how limited it is. It became one of the most sought-after colors almost immediately after launch. People started reselling it for double or even triple the price, which shows how much everyone wanted it. There were even rumors that the rose color would be replaced by a shade called Black Currant for a future collection. But for many, this pink version will always be the favorite. The color is just timeless, and the gold accents make it feel elegant in any setting. You can wear it for brunch, a wedding, or even date night, and it'll still look perfect. It's that kind of bag that always draws compliments without trying too hard. The rose pink Kisslock is also super comfortable to carry. The top handle is smooth and rounded, and the detachable strap makes it easy to wear crossbody if you're on the go. The metal frame is sturdy, but easy to open and close, and that Kisslock click at the top gives it such a satisfying touch. The leather holds up beautifully over time, and it gets even softer the more you use it. The inside space makes it practical enough to use every day, but the look of it makes it feel like a luxury piece. If you're someone who loves pink or just wants a statement bag that still feels timeless, this one is worth the hype. Now let's talk about the other sizes and colors in the Kisslock collection. Coach has made several variations of this design over the years, so there's truly something for everyone. The large version is perfect for carrying all your essentials, but there's also a smaller Kisslock Frame Bag 16 that's about 9.5 inches long, 5.75 inches tall, and 4.5 inches wide. Then there's the Kisslock Frame Bag 23, which is more compact and ideal for light days. There's even a double Frame Bag 19 that features 2 Kisslock closures for multiple compartments. Each size has its own unique details, from chain straps to leather handles, and even special edition finishes. The collection includes classic colors like black, brown, tan, and cream, along with special seasonal shades that come and go. The black Kisslock bag is sleek and timeless, the kind of bag you can wear anywhere, anytime. It goes with everything and looks great for both casual and formal occasions. The brown version has that rich, warm tone that feels classic and vintage-inspired, while the cream shade gives that soft, clean look that's perfect for spring and summer. There have also been some smaller, almost mini versions that are super cute and easy to carry when you just need your essentials. Those tiny ones make perfect going-out bags or statement pieces for special events. The nice thing is, no matter the size or color, every Kisslock keeps that same structured, elegant design. It's consistent across the line, which is part of why people love collecting them. The smaller Kisslock bags may be petite, but they don't lose any of the charm or detail of the larger versions. The double frame bag 19, for example, has that dual closure feature that gives you extra compartments without taking up too much space. It's small enough to carry for a night out, but big enough for your phone, keys, and cards. Then there's the Kisslock Dreamer 21, which adds a little twist with a 3-compartment design and sometimes quilted details. Each version brings something unique to the table while keeping that vintage Coach personality intact. These smaller ones are perfect if you want the Kisslock look, but prefer something lightweight. What I love most about the Kisslock collection is how every version feels like it tells a story. The design feels nostalgic, but still looks modern enough to fit today's fashion. Whether you're holding a large one that fits your whole day, or a tiny one that just fits your keys and lip gloss, it still feels special. The sound of that click when you close it is something that just never gets old. Coach managed to create something that looks luxurious, but also approachable. These bags don't just sit in your closet, they make you want to style them and show them off. Each Kisslock bag feels like a piece of Coach history, but also a reflection of personal style. From the classic leather options to the glimmering Jakard version, every single one has its own personality. They work for all occasions, dressed up or down, and they carry that timeless charm that makes you fall in love with Coach all over again. Whether you're collecting or just looking for one perfect bag, the Kisslock is a must-have. It's practical, beautiful, and so easy to style with anything in your wardrobe. It's one of those pieces that will stay in fashion no matter what trends come and go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and let me know which Kisslock bag is your favorite. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you never miss when I post. I'll try to link and add the products in the shopping bag on the screen so you can shop while you watch. I appreciate y'all so much for taking the time to hang out with me. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident, and always stay fashionably grateful.